You come to me on the day of my daughter's wedding, asking me to choose your stocks? What have I ever done to make you treat me so disrespectfully? If you had come to me as a political donor, the information I gathered from Congress about the stock market, it would have been yours. But instead, it's just, please, Godmother?
Godmother, I will pledge $50,000 for your campaign. It is the least I can do.
That I can work with. With this, I could buy more NVIDIA options. But look, the public cannot find out. You must never tell. An advantage is only an advantage so long as I'm the only one who has it. Now, as a campaign donor, I can do you a favor.
Thank you, Godmother.
Follow this advice.
Thank you.
One day I will ask a favor in return. Until then, accept this advice as a gift on my daughter's wedding day.